Common idioms for everyday conversations plus example sentences, Volume 6. Common idioms for everyday conversations plus example sentences, Volume 6. As cool as a cucumber. Stay calm under stress. Sentence. She stayed as cool as a cucumber during the test. Let sleeping dogs lie. Avoid reopening old issues. Sentence. Let's let sleeping dogs lie and not discuss past mistakes. Jump on the bandwagon. Join something popular. Sentence. She jumped on the bandwagon and started the new diet trend. Mind your PS and QS. Be polite and behave well. Sentence. Mind your PS and QS at the formal dinner. Costs an arm and a leg. Very expensive. Sentence. That car costs an arm and a leg. A diamond in the rough. Someone or something with potential. Sentence. The new employee is a diamond in the rough. Better late than never. It's okay to be late rather than not show up. Sentence. He finally apologized. Better late than never. Have bigger fish to fry. Have more important tasks to do. Sentence. I can't help now. I have bigger fish to fry. Leave no stone unturned. Try everything possible. Sentence. She'll leave no stone unturned in her job search. Beating around the bush. Avoid saying something directly. Sentence. Stop beating around the bush and tell me what happened. Make a long story short. Summarize briefly. Sentence. To make a long story short, the plan didn't work. A chip on your shoulder. Holding a grudge or being easily offended. Sentence. He has a chip on his shoulder about losing the promotion. Hit the nail on the head. Do or say something exactly right. Sentence. She hit the nail on the head with her solution. Barking up the wrong tree. Pursuing the wrong thing. Sentence. If you think I took it, you're barking up the wrong tree. Penny wise, pound foolish. Saving small amounts, but losing big ones. Sentence. Buying cheap tools is penny wise, pound foolish. Back to the drawing board. Start over after failing. Sentence. The plan didn't work, so it's back to the drawing board. A penny for your thoughts. Ask someone what they are thinking. Sentence. You seem quiet. A penny for your thoughts. If the shoe fits, wear it. Accept the truth about yourself. Sentence. If you think the criticism is fair, if the shoe fits, wear it. Put your best foot forward. Present yourself well. Sentence. Put your best foot forward at the job interview. Let the cat out of the bag. Reveal a secret. Sentence. She accidentally let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. Hitch your wagon to a star. Pursue a high goal. Sentence. He decided to hitch his wagon to a star by joining the big project. A snowball's chance in hell. Almost no chance. Sentence. They don't have a snowball's chance in hell of winning. Like a bull in a china shop. Acting clumsy or recklessly. Sentence. He was like a bull in a china shop, knocking over everything. A stitch in time saves 9. Fix small problems early to avoid bigger ones. Sentence. Fix that leak now. A stitch in time saves 9. Burn the candle at both ends. Overwork yourself. Sentence. She's burning the candle at both ends with work and school. Make hay while the sun shines. Take advantage of good opportunities. Sentence. Business is booming, so we'll make hay while the sun shines. All that glitters is not gold. Not everything attractive is valuable. Sentence. That shiny car isn't reliable. All that glitters is not gold. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Achieve 2 things at once. Sentence. I killed 2 birds with 1 stone by exercising while listening to a lecture. Everything but the kitchen sink. Almost everything. Sentence. They packed everything but the kitchen sink for their trip. Every cloud has a silver lining. Bad situations have good parts. Sentence. Losing his job was tough, but every cloud has a silver lining. He found a better one. Bite off more than you can chew. Take on too much. Sentence. He bit off more than he could chew with all those projects. Between a rock and a hard place. Face 2 bad choices. Sentence. She's between a rock and a hard place with this decision. A leopard can't change its spots. People can't change who they are. Sentence. He tried to act nice, but a leopard can't change its spots. Don't bite the hand that feeds you. Don't harm those who help you. Sentence. He criticized his boss, forgetting the rule. Don't bite the hand that feeds you. A picture is worth 1,000 words. A visual explains more than words. Sentence. The chart shows it clearly. A picture is worth 1,000 words. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Healthy habits prevent illness. Sentence. Eat fruits regularly. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. A fool and his money are soon parted. Careless people lose their money quickly. Sentence. He bought useless things, proving a fool and his money are soon parted. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. What's beautiful is subjective. Sentence. She loves that painting, but beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Cross that bridge when you come to it. Deal with problems when they happen. Sentence. Don't worry about the issue now. We'll cross that bridge when we come to it. It's not over till the fat lady sings. Don't assume the outcome until the end. Sentence. The game isn't over yet. It's not over till the fat lady sings. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Don't risk everything in one place. Sentence. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Give someone the benefit of the doubt. Trust someone despite doubts. Sentence. I'll give him the benefit of the doubt this time. Out of the frying pan and into the fire. Go from a bad situation to a worse one. Sentence. He left one bad job only to jump out of the frying pan and into the fire. Know which side your bread is buttered on. Recognize what's in your best interest. Sentence: he stayed polite to his boss because he knows which side his bread is buttered on. Can't make an omelette without breaking eggs. Big changes require sacrifices. Sentence: to succeed, you can't make an omelette without breaking eggs. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. It's better to keep what you have than risk it for more. Sentence: he kept his steady job because a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. Don't throw the baby out with the bathwater. Don't lose something valuable while discarding the bad. Sentence: fix the system, but don't throw the baby out with the bathwater. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. Don't assume success before it happens. Sentence: wait until you get the job. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. Do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Treat others the way you want to be treated. Sentence: be kind, do unto others as you would have them do unto you.